Hey there, let me give you an overview of Learn Python, your first step to data science. I'm Rudy, and this is a course by Pact Publishing. Let's first get into the course. So, my name is Rudy. I'll be teaching you this course today, and I have 6 years of experience in data science, deep technical experience with quantitative trading and statistical modeling, and I'm currently building some natural language generation technology. Let's give an overview of the course. In this course, we're first importing some datasets into Python. We're going to visualize them and help you understand what the dataset contains. We're going to go through some very rigorous techniques on how we can explore the data using Python. And then we dive right into 2 big topics in data science: predicting disease progression and classifying wine types. And in the end, we want to look at clustering and unsupervised learning and find groups of similar items. So the prerequisites for this course is for anyone who wants to learn Python programming and how it is used particularly in data science. We do not need familiarity or basic programming language, but it will be beneficial for this course. Goals. So the goals is to get you to get going with your Python data science journey. Want to offer practical, get-it-done style focused on results and bring you up to speed with Python. It comprehensively packs everything about data science and Python into 3 hours. Let's start.